Hello, my name is Christian Aranguren. Currently, I'm a PhD student at the University of Calgary in the Department of Chemical and Petroleum Engineering. My research interest is trying to identify complementary strengths between physics-based and data-driven models for production forecasting and EOR optimization. Today, I will be presenting how you can install Anaconda in your computers, as well as I'm going to show you how you can use Google Colab by following the next steps. Anaconda is an open source distribution of the programming languages R and Python, and it's where you will be able to launch Jupyter and Spider. On the other hand, if you prefer to code through the browser and store your projects in the cloud, Google Colab is a good option. But first, I will start by showing you the steps on how to install Anaconda on your computers. So the first step is to go to anaconda.com. Please take a look at the right-hand corner and click the button Get Started. Please find Download Anaconda Installers. Here is where you will be able to see that you can download Anaconda for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Python 3.8 is the latest version available at the time of making this video. Before downloading Anaconda, please make sure which operating system you have. In my case, I have to go to Windows, Settings, then I will go to System, find About, and here in the system type, it's where I will be able to see my operating system. In that case, I will click the button Download. So once the executable file has been downloaded in my computer, I will go to Showing Folder. I will double click for installation and I will follow the next steps. When the installation is completed, then we go to Next, Next, and Finish. Then we already have installed Anaconda in our computers, so we can look for Anaconda, Navigator, and finally here is where you will be able to install, and after that launch, Jupyter Notebook. Finally, when you have already installed Jupyter in your computer, you might decide where you want to create and store your new projects. In my case, in Documents, I created a new file which is called Geothermal Experience 2021. Here is where I decided I'm going to create a new notebook. In that case, I have to go here to New and I click on Python 3. Even though, for the purpose of this video, I already created a new project which is called Geothermal. A good first start is importing all of the libraries that you will require. In my case, I am importing Pandas, which is a powerful tool for data analysis and manipulation. I am also importing NumPy for multidimensional arrays and matrix data structure. I'm importing Matplotlib, which creates static, animated, and interactive visualizations. I'm importing Seaborn, which is also a library for visualization, and this is well known for statistical graphics. I'm importing another powerful tool for machine learning, which is scikit-learn. And finally, this final syntax is used to show charts and plots using Matplotlib within Jupyter Notebook. So after writing these codes, you just run, and that's how you will be able to import your libraries in your project. As I mentioned before, if you prefer writing and executing your code in Python on the cloud, I will show you how you can freely access to Google Colab. So the first step is go to this link in Google Colab, and here you can either decide if you want to upload or create a new project. In the case that you have already a project and you want to upload it, here is where you can choose your file. Otherwise, you create a new notebook. Similarly to what I showed previously using Jupyter Notebook, we also import here in the same way the libraries that we will require in our projects. You can also add some other codes. You can hit this button in order to run the codes that you have. You can also add some text. And well, basically here is where you can start exploring a little bit more about Google Colab. And this is pretty much what I wanted to show you. I hope you can find this very helpful, and thank you so much for your attention.